Hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil. Discover, learn, and grow. In the previous lecture, we have learned about count, right? So, in this lecture, we will be learning about group by, like how we will be using group by function, group by keyword with count. So, let's jump into video, guys. I'll be fetching all the data of the table. Uh, So this is our table, right? So I want to know like how many players are there in the country India only. Like I want to know only the players of India and I want to know only the players of England. I want to know how many players are there in the country Australia from the country Australia. So I want to group the country and the players, right? You understood, right? So I want to as well as like batsman role hai na. Like how many players are there with the role of batsman? How many players are there with the role of bowler role? How many players are there with the role of all-rounder role? So I have to group the roles or group the countries in order to know the count of the players. So enough of theory. Now let's implement it practically. So select I want to first group it by country. Con उस country में कितना players है? Like in India, how many players are there? Actually, uh, as per the data, there the small data only, right? Ten people का data. So the result is like India has two players, England has two players, Australia has two players, and other countries have one player each. But we will know the syntax like how we have to code in the MySQL server so that if you work with a large data you can easily group countries or roles, or if you work with large data it will be easy for you if you use these keywords. uh, so we have grouping it by country. First we'll be grouping it by country, next we'll be going with yeah, we will be going with role. So now country count of I want to I want the count of players of each country from employees. And if you want to group now, like you want to group the players of the particular country, right? So you will be using the keyword called group by country and semicolon. Yeah, yeah. It's yeah. Now the code is perfect. Uh, this code is like now. I'll be explaining again. So you are counting the players. Either that like it's cluster clear, right? You are counting the players based on the country. So you are counting the players based on the country. We are grouping the players of the country, right? So let's see what result क्या आएगा. Oh, it showed error. Oh, sorry guys, our table name is cricketers, right? This is the problem. I'm forgetting the क्या table name. Cricketers group by country. So yeah, we are grouping the players based on country, and the result is like again group by country, unknown column players in field list. Sorry guys, it's not player, it's name. I'm really sorry. Yeah, code is correct only, but I'm forgetting the names. So see, now India has two players. We got the count of every country, right? India has two players, England has two players, Australia has two players. Pakistan has one player. New Zealand has one player. Bangladesh, I think Afghanistan and Bangladesh are also having one player. So yeah, this is the use case of counter grouping by country. Like we will also group it with we have grouped it with country. Right now we will be grouping it with role. Like I want to know how many batsmen are there, how many bowlers are there, and uh, how many batsmen are there, how many bowlers are there, and how many all rounders are there. So I've selected role and I'm grouping it with role, right? So this is a code. I'm grouping all the players who all are the players, like count kitna hai players ka of the role, batsman, bowler or all rounder. And the answer is like there are five batsmen. There are five batsmen. The count is five batsmen. There are three bowlers, and the count of all rounders is two. And to not forget, we can beautify this code too. Like, see, कितना beautiful हो गया, कितना aesthetic हो गया. So we can beautify this code as well as like this is a video like which showed you the use case of group by and in the next next videos we will be learning about learning more about aggregate functions. Thank you.